वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वदा।
Institute present you with the annual report highlighting the achievements and progress our school has made over the past academic year. This year, it has been a growth, innovation, and resilience, and I commend our students, teachers, staff, and dear parents for their unwavering commitment and dedication towards the school. Over the past few years, our school has experienced consistent progress in various domains, where key highlights are a steady increase in student enrollment, reflecting growth, trust, and faith in our institution. Year-over-year, improvements in the academic performance with a marked increase in student engagement and participation in the academic and extracurricular activity. The academic achievements, as you can see, it's over here, the literacy, numeracy, and the skill development increased more than 90% in the Montessori group. Apart from that, we also have grade 1 to grade 9, where formative and summative assessment have been increased by 90%. Our grade 10th is writing the board examination for the first time, so we achieve and we expect them to have 100% results. Our students have participated in the Literary Fest organized by the Foundation School Gunjur, where the students of grade 9, Miss Swagatika got the platinum rank in poem writing, and Miss Adya India from grade 3 in story writing competition. Various other school level competition our students have participated. Those included the debate competition, the sports competition, and others. The extracurricular activities. The school has continued to encourage participation in the extracurricular activities, which goes to a holistic development of the child. The success in the Taekwondo Championship, which includes the Prince Cup, Inter-School Taekwondo Cup, Warriors Cup, and Karnataka State Championships. Parents, you have already seen the performance of the students during the Taekwondo part. They are also offering the CBSE Sahodaya Games, which were organized by Deans Gunjur, and more than 40 students of our school have participated and got prizes in various games like relay, running, javelin throw, and many more were there. Active participation were there in all the programs, including the drama, music, and art exhibition, which was held in the month of November and December 2024, named as Alchemy. We have also expansion of art clubs, which include the school council. We have Eco Club, Tourism Club, Science Club, Debate Club, and Environmental Awareness Club. We have done with the handwriting skill development program for a neat, clear, and concise style of handwriting with a flow, speed, and accuracy. We have abacus from Mon 2 to grade 5 to develop their logical and reasoning skills. We have Vedic maths from grade 6 to grade 8 to simplify complex calculations using mental techniques and shortcut method, enhancing the speed and accuracy of each of our learners. We have also strengthening our students through the remedial education programs. We also have the training for teachers, which included the CBP training, which is 50 hours of minimum requirement of training of teachers, which has been completed. We have also gone through the Guru Dakshina training, and we are strictly follower of NEP and NCF curriculum. The awards and achievements of our school for this year was Dynamic School Award, LROC K-12 Award for the 2 consecutive years, Top Educator Award, Top ECC Educator Top 20 All Over India Chairman's Award, and Top 100 Principal Award All Over India. We are having a community engagement and partnership program, which includes the parents-teacher meeting to strengthen our home school connections. We have partnership with NGOs for the social services, especially for the environment. We have guest lectures from the profound industry professionals. Going towards the future goals, we enhance the technologies of AI and VR approach in our education system. We are going to propose STEM education system in our school. We are going to integrate the new training pedagogies to be adopted for the emerging training needs. And at last, as we reflect on the year gone by, I extend my deepest appreciation to our students for their enthusiasm, to our teachers for their dedication, and to our dear parents for their unwavering support. With collective efforts, we will continue to strive for excellence in all spheres. Here, it's another year to success and learning. I wish all the best for Gen Z and Gen Alpha for the future endeavors and to be responsible future leaders in this VUCA world. I wish this generation the poise and the vision to shape tomorrow, and to do that, we must embrace the leadership with a vision of compassion, innovation, and responsibility to each of our learner. Thank you, dear parents, and this was the annual report for our school.
Navratri is a festival celebrated to honor the power and the strength of goddess Durga. It's time when people come together to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. Navratri's traditional dances, especially Garba and Dandiya, brings communities together in joy and harmony. Let's welcome the girls of grade 9th and 10th to the stage as they celebrate this festival through their energetic dance performance.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणांबुरासी धीम तारा जतुलतो विनोदिनी भुवन पालिनी वे अनाथ रक्षणनी विधि कादटे मोरविनी चेरवटे నా ఆలోచనే నిరంతరం నీకు నివాళినివ్వాలని నాలో ఆవేదనే నువ్వు ఆదరించేలా నివేదనవ్వాలని చేసే గతులతో నామ శతం
ಈ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಮರಣವೇ? ಅದು ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ. ನನಗೆ ಮರಣವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti